Kopy Goldfields prospekterar i sibiriska Lena Goldfields, ett av världens guldrikaste områden. Bolaget har 12 licenser som tillsammans täcker närmare 2000 kvadratkilometer. Krasny, bolagets huvudprojekt och för närvarande största fyndighet, utvecklas i samarbete med den ryska guldproducenten GV Gold som har flera andra pågående projekt i området. Första halvåret 2016 har bolaget fått de ryska myndigheternas formella godkännande för en malmreservsrapport på Krasny. En preliminär förstudie på fyndigheten har presenterats och mot slutet av halvåret publicerades en uppdaterad mineraltillgångsberäkning enligt York-kod. Nu genomförs en ny emission om 20 miljoner kronor. Berätta.
In 2014, we signed a joint venture with GV Gold regarding developing Krasny project into resources, reserves and further into production. And Krasny project is the most interesting project for our company at the moment. So GV Gold under the joint venture agreement invested so far $9 million into joint venture. Out of that, $3 million was paid to us and $6 million went into exploration. So this year we have $4.5 million exploration and development program. So far it was financed by the money left from the contribution by GV Gold, but now they're gone. So the primary target of the common rights issue is to finance our pro rata part in Krasny.
Krasny-licensen förvärvades 2010. Följande år genomfördes flera prospekteringsrundor och i november 2012 kunde bolaget presentera en mineraltillgångsrapport enligt York som visade på 1,3 miljoner ounce guld.
In 2014 we signed a joint venture with GV Gold and since then we are developing Krasny project together. So far 2014 and 2015 we have drilled more than 18,000 meters of core drilling, very much focusing on the upper structure and upper mineralization within Krasny. As initially it was the third, that only the upper structure within the Krasny could be mineable. So now with the change in the mining costs and with the change of the gold price, we believe that the lower structure could be mineable as well. So this year we are very much focusing on the feasibility study for the upper structure and for the exploration for the lower structure. Also, last year we acquired a alluvial license within the boundary of the current bedrock license for Krasny. And this alluvial license, it's actually our belief that we have some alluvial gold on the top of the bedrock. So we can produce this alluvial as part of bedrock development with basically no extra costs for its development. And we finalized this year a short exploration program for alluvial gold in order to understand if it's really worth considering alluvial mining ahead of bedrock.
Enligt emissionsprospektet ska beslut om eventuell framtida produktion i Krasny tas i början av nästa år. Vilket mer underlag krävs för att kunna fatta det här beslutet?
The decision to take Krasny into production will be taken based on the exploration results from 2016. And the most important in these results will be the mineral processing test and the mineral processing flowchart which will follow it. And mineral processing flowchart will give the expected recovery, gold recovery rates, which are crucial for the economics of the mining production, and it will give the figures for the capital costs for the mill construction. That's why the decision of taking Krasny into production will be taken in early 2017, which will follow the results of the mineral processing test and flowchart.
Guldpriset är i en återhämtningsfas, samtidigt som oljeprisfall och ekonomiska sanktioner satt press på den ryska rubeln. Hur påverkas investeringsklimatet för rysk guldproduktion av det som händer?
It's very beneficial for the investments in the gold mining projects in Russia because ruble devaluation against US dollar is decreasing operational mining costs if they are nominated in US dollars. And at the same time, increase in gold prices increase also the output and the revenues for a mining company. So there is a dual effect. First, reduction of the operational costs, and second, increase of the revenues. So the margins for mining companies are increasing as a result of that. As a longer term view, we believe that this effect will continue for Russia and keep Russia among the countries with low mining costs in general. Also, the recent sanctions by European Union and the USA towards Russia doesn't target the gold mining sector. It targets oil production, it targets military production, it targets financial services, but not the mining. So mining industry per se very much benefit from the ruble devaluation.
Om vi tittar på era pågående projekt, vilka är viktigast att slutföra i närtid?
First, I believe that it's crucial to take Krasny into production, to complete the current exploration program, to get the decision, to take the decision about taking it into construction and basically raising finance for that. So that's the first most important thing. The second important thing is actually to support developing the company as an exploration company and moving other projects along a similar development path as we did with Krasny. And I'm talking about the Northern Territories project, which we have started exploring this year. And within the Northern Territories, we consider there will potentially be many deposits like Krasny, and each of them can be moved along the similar path.
Vad tycker du att aktieägarna ska hålla ögonen på framöver?
The most important milestones for the shareholders will obviously be first completion of the exploration program for this year, then decision for the construction start on Krasny, and then I would say results for the Northern Territories exploration program as well.
Varför ska man teckna aktien?
This moment is a very interesting moment from our perspective in the development history of the company. We are currently treated and traded and valued as an exploration company, although we believe and we strongly see that our Krasny project is really on its way to production. However, we're not yet valued as a pre-production company. So at the moment, we see Krasny as a really project as a pre-production, but not yet reflected in the valuation of the company. We also see that Northern Territories in the near future could move against a similar pipeline as we are moving Krasny project now, with coming the new investors and developing probably its own similar joint venture type of agreement, which will add far more value and it would add strategic focus, strategic development focus for the company. So we see there will be many positive news coming in the near year, which might significantly change the valuation of the company.